How to install our no-stud TV wall mount. Measure the horizontal distance between the upper mounting holes on the back of your TV to determine proper spacing for the wall mounts. This measurement will determine the horizontal placement of the wall mounts on the wall. Peel the adhesive backing from the wall template and press it firmly onto the wall at the desired height, using the bubble level to ensure the template is level. Position the wall mounts over the corresponding template holes that match your measured width. Insert the provided push pins through the center hole of each wall mount to temporarily secure it in place. Hammer the lower two drywall nails into each wall mount. Remove the push pins and carefully peel the wall template from the wall. Install the remaining upper drywall nails and hammer them in fully until the wall mounts are firmly secured. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts for your TV's VESA mounting holes. Verify the bolt length is correct and not too long or too short before installation. Use the spacers as needed to ensure a secure and flush fit. Attach the leveling pads to the lower VESA holes and attach the hanging brackets to the upper VESA holes on the back of the TV using the selected bolts and washers. Tighten securely, but do not over-tighten. Carefully lift the TV and align the hanging brackets with the wall mounts installed on the wall. Lower the TV straight down so the hanging brackets fully seat into the wall mounts. Concrete installation option. Use the VESA width measurement from step 1 to ensure proper spacing. Peel the adhesive backing from the wall template and press it firmly onto the wall at the desired height, using the bubble level to ensure the template is level. Using a 3/8 inch masonry bit, drill holes at the corresponding locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Remove the template from the wall, then insert the concrete anchors into each drilled hole until flush with the wall surface. Secure the wall mounts to the wall using the lag screws and washers. Tighten securely until the wall mounts are firmly attached to the wall.